Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Guys, I've been getting the request to start a series of videos for the Excel's functions and the shortcuts around it. So, along with the Excel VBA tutorial, I thought to actually start the same for the Excel functions and tricks. So in today's video we'll actually see and learn how to use the sum inbuilt function of Excel. Now let's go to the demo. So as you can see, I have already opened the Excel tab. I'm under the sheet 1. So we'll start with the example for which we'll actually have some entries. So for this particular function, we'll actually have an example of an employee and their salaries. So we are just gonna try for 3 or 4 entries, that's it, and we'll see how this sum function can be used there. So that is employee name and the salary. I'm just giving any random names, X, Y, Z. Okay, so I'm just giving random entries over here. So this is a cell where I want to actually print the sum of this particular salaries of these employees. I'm just gonna make it more precise. So here, so in Excel, whenever in any cell, if you want to actually use a function, you have to press equal to. Now to use this sum function, the moment I type sum, I'll be actually giving a list of related functions. As part of this particular video, we'll just gonna see sum. In the next series of video, we'll touch base upon sum if and sum if else. So here sum, since it's a function, it will be with open and close brackets. So as you can see the syntax, it says num1 num2. Okay, in a case where you just wanted to do the sum of static numbers, you can do in this particular way, and now I'll close it. So I'll be getting the value of 1 and 2. However, if you want to have a dynamic behavior where you want to actually get the sum of the selected cells or particular range in an Excel, that can be done. In that particular case, here I want to actually go from B2 till B5. So I'll just do one thing, I'll select this one and just drag my mouse by selecting it. So as you can see, it says B2 till B5. Now I'll close the I'll put the closing bracket for the sum function, and the moment I hit enter, as you can see, it has printed me the sum of this particular sum of these employees. Now whether this sum is correct or not, we'll see. Yes, so ideally yes, 15, 20, 25, 40, 40, 70 and 20, yes, 90. Now for the same, we'll see what's the shortcut to use the sum function in Excel VBA. So I removed that 90,000 entries or that sum function earlier one. Now to use that trick to or a shortcut basically for the sum function, select the cell and now directly press Alt equal to at one go. As you can see, it has actually given me the it has populated that sum function, and that too directly it has directly predicted the end and start and end point for that particular range, and I just now need to press enter. That's it. So this is how we can use the sum function in Excel, along with I have also shown you the shortcut to use the for the same. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.